Jollof Rice. A main dish from Ghana. Serves 2. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. In a large skillet, brown the chicken in the hot oil about 10 minutes, stirring constantly. Remove from skillet and set aside, leaving drippings in skillet. Add the onion to the drippings, cook on a medium-low heat until transparent. Combine all of the rest of the ingredients, now you can drain off the fat and add the chicken back to the skillet. Stir and pour over the chicken. Do not stir mixture in skillet at all. Step 3. Bring to a boil, reduce heat to low, and simmer covered for 30 minutes. Step 4. Add the rice now, and try not to disturb the chicken, but make sure the rice is distributed evenly, and covered everywhere with liquid. Step 5. Cover and simmer 30 minutes more until the rice is tender and liquid is all absorbed. Step 6. Remove bay leaf, sprinkle with parsley if desired, and serve. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.